are now off to the capital city, Pretoria. The Pretoria Magistrate's Court will today rule on the bail application of a former Zanzou club bouncer. The 41-year-old Congolese national faces various charges, including 8 counts of a compelled sexual assault. He was arrested last month after video surfaced showing sexual abuse of patrons at the popular nightclub. Newzroom Afrika Sholwana is outside the Pretoria Magistrate's Court and now joins us live. A very good morning to you, Zola. Just quickly take us back to some of the testimony that we heard during the bail application and what we can expect today.
Well, Aljan, you would remember that in the previous experience, we heard the accused statement through his lawyer, where he was essentially telling the court his reasons or why he feels like he deserves to be granted bail with regards to this matter. We heard him mention that he is a father of 3 and he is a provider for his family. He has been in South Africa since 2021 and has no intentions of returning to the Democratic Republic of Congo, essentially telling the court that he is not a flight risk at this particular moment. We also heard that through his statement, he was denying all these allegations that are leveled against him. Him and other people allegedly assaulting the patrons that we saw on a video that, circulated just about a month ago. Perhaps we should also take our viewers, a bit back, Aljan, and remind them what led us to this point. We do know that there was a particular individual who was posting several videos that showed a number of bouncers of the popular club Zanzou that is now closed, allegedly assaulting these patrons, very young boys. We saw a dehumanizing act in those videos. That is when police started to now conduct an investigation, calling on people who could potentially know some of the people that are appearing in those videos to, come forward, including some of the victims. Now, we know that when JMPD was conducting, their patrolling, their patrolling in Yeoville, that's when they came across a man that they recognized, and that is the man that is currently appearing in court today. Now, following that, more victims came forward, but what we know from the National Prosecuting Authority, Aljan, is that many of these victims have been afraid, or rather reluctant, to come forward, and that could really be due to many reasons. So from today's proceedings, we are anticipating to find out, what will the court say with regards to the bail application of this accused. You would also remember that the National Prosecuting Authority mentioned that they are not ruling out any possibility of more arrests in relation to this matter, and also more victims potentially coming forward. So this is a developing case. We will find out what are the latest developments shortly, in about 2 hours actually.